Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Joanne. I am really excited to share with you this TJ Maxx haul because I'm going to be using the majority of the things to decorate my kitchen with. But first, I want to show you my Ulta haul. So on my way to TJ Maxx, I thought, well, I should stop into Ulta because they're having that Beauty Days special, and that day special was the MAC Fix Plus, which they ran out of when I got there. But I was able to snag the Better Than Sex mascara. So I got 2 of those, and I gave 1 to my daughter, and because I got 2, they gave me a lip gloss for free. So I got 2 of these, and I'm wearing it right now, and it is amazing. I absolutely love it. And because I got 2 mascaras, they gave me this lip gloss for free. It's really cute. It's got a little peach on the front. I also got a brow defining pencil by L'Oreal, and I'm wearing that, and I really like it. It works very well. Here it is. It's very thin. It's like the Anastasia Beverly Hills. It has a very, very thin tip. And it has the little spoolie brush at the end. I don't know what this is. I got this True Match Lumi. I wear C3. I think this is very well known. I think a lot of people already know what that is. And this Pure Miracle Mist Setting Spray, which I'm also wearing, and I like it a lot. Like this. And it's made with orange oil. So you can put this on before you apply your makeup and after you apply it. Feels really good. Okay, on to the TJ Maxx goods. Alright, so I got a Real Technique sponge, which I left it in the other room, but it looks like this at TJ Maxx for $3.99. I got this curling wand, which is what I curled my hair with, and I got it on clearance for $10. I got this. It is a double tier tray. I'm going to put it under my bathroom sink. So it's got a tier on top, and then the bottom one is it's a pull-out drawer. Next, I got this giant 4-cup glass measuring cup by Anchor for $3.99. I was looking for coffee liqueur, but I couldn't find any, so I found this whipped foam topping, and this is really fun to put on your drinks. And this was $4.49. All right, here comes the fun stuff. I got this magical unicorn candle. It definitely smells magical. Cookies, caramel candy. It is so good. I can't wait to try this. When life gives you lemons, add tequila. I love this. It's so cute. Lemon dishcloths. 8 of them for $7.99. And this was $5.99. Some hand soap that has orange oil in it, and it smells amazing, and it was $4.99. I got these glass measuring cup bowls. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. So they're printed inside and out, and these were $7.99. Set of dish towels, 2 dish towels for $4.99. very strong quality. It says 100% melamine plate, so it's plastic. I can't do glass in my house. For $3.99. And the matching bulb. And the last thing I got was this mat for my dog to put his food and water on. And this was $4.99.